I came into the kitchen to look for my stuff, and this is what I see on the cooker. My son is doing a grill sandwich. Now look at that. Can you see at the bottom the sandwiches sitting there? So he put the sugar, the biscuit thing with a saucer to add weight on the bread. Let him take it out now. Delani, please take your sandwich.
Yeah, it's not done. I'm flipping it.
So he's gonna flip it.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah.
This is my son making a pot grilled sandwich.
That's how
so
you're
he's
supposed
putting
to
the
make
weight because it's the pot.
It's not a pot, that's a pan.
The pan.
Or a what?
The sandwich is finished now. Ooh, my Dalian homemade sandwich without the machine. There it is. Only a Jamaican picking him, man. Jesus have mercy.
Wait, we're not done yet.
Let's check if the cheese is melted inside as he would like or as he intended. And by the way, this is a grilled cheese. My son made it his way.
It is melted, but there's barely any cheese roll.
There you go. Cheese is up there.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm, yummy.